discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High.
Storm, Basehead Maddie, and I got two V2 Rage XL 15s on a NEP 6K wired at half ohm. Finally.
So, whoa, this is a big amp. Okay, is there anything underneath of it, or is it just that one?
I got 3 AGM betters underneath it.
Okay.
I'll actually open up the hatch for you so you can see with the lights on.
Yeah, that would make it easier.
Yeah,
nice. You know, is there a way I can see behind the seats here? Kind of have the seats down to see how it looks.
It's a little messy.
Okay, there we go.
Don't mind that.
It's all good. Looks really good. Who built the box?
V2.
Okay.
Yep, V2 on Andrew showers and then
Nice.
I got 3 AGMs.
Okay.
I went through like 3 cost boxes because I'm still
It's all
on
right.
my equipment.
Looks good. I like it.
Thank you.
So, do you know tuning and SPL at all? Have you done any kind of tests on it?
No, I'm actually fixing a meter in just a little while.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll let you know. I'll message Jessica about it.
Yes, ma'am.
That way you can put it on the video.
Very nice. What are these subs rated at?
2,500 to 5,000.
Okay.
Yep.
Got it. All right. You have a. Yep.
Nice meeting you.
You too. Thank you. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High.
Whichever bitch wanna come get it, I got it, I'm giving out work, I'm apply. These bitches talking that shit and they saying my name and I can't keep just letting it fly. They gotta show, they gotta tweet, they gotta go get their hunger for me. Hip hop, bullshit with your broken, hey, when I start to get money, I'ma tell you the truth. I'm a host that they ain't good loot. Niggas wanna put it in a loop. Take it to the beat, I'ma take it to the boot. Take it to the moon, let us start a pot, and I'ma get a bitch started. Bitch, I'm the one you ain't even the change. Never really had my way. Whole lot of fake He tryna copy that dick in my schedule. Back rocks all on my neck like a baby rubber. Boy, stop blacking in my face where you get in trouble. I don't need a team or a bitch nigga for me. When y'all hoes step, gotta call y'all sorority. Hollywood shit, cause I'm with all the action. Ain't you boyfriend, you can stop all the acting. If you coming for me, then you need to come hard. Shake, shake, and I ain't doing my I'm the motherfucking pimp with a real bench rip. Trick that is on y'all, real goddamn. Bitches is popping, is pumping the shit they be tweeting, they gotta be smart. Every nigga favorite, pussy get played with. I'm the type of bitch jealous hoes can't hate with. Next to the head of the bed, cause I'm flexible. He tryna copy that dick in my schedule. Back rocks all on my neck like a baby rubber. Boy, stop blacking in my face where you get in trouble. I don't need a team or a bitch speaking for me. When y'all hoes step, gotta call y'all sorority. Hollywood shit, cause I'm with all the action. Ain't you boyfriend, you can stop all the acting. If you coming for me, then you need to come home.
I had to get some back flex too,
That's
so.
okay, I appreciate it. I appreciate all the video that you
Oh yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. I don't want to blow them today.
Yeah, don't blow them.